everyone, how you doing? So today I am back with another video. So this video is a tutorial video. So you have just heard that I played a groove, right? So this groove is inspired by quintuplets. We all know what quintuplets are, right? So I will demonstrate that further. So quintuplets are basically when I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, but instead of doing that, I can also count like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Quintuplets basically means 5, but I can play quintuplets within any time signature, just playing the subdivisions. So basically these are all the subdivisions, right? So this groove is basically takata kita takata kita takata kita takata kita, which is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. But I have just phrased the groove like 5 5, but the subdivisions are divided into bass, snare and hi-hats, playing that very slowly, I mean at a very slow tempo. So it goes like this. So as you can see that I have subdivided it into different parts on the kit. So hi-hats, snare and the bass. So I will play that again very slowly. So first is hi-hats and bass together, right? So this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so now when I play that, with the groove, it sounds like this, which is 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5. So the ones of the 4/4 groove, I will hit those 1 2 3 4 on the cymbals. Okay, so here it go. So one of the main reason why I love quintuplets is, one of the main reason why we all love quintuplets is that we all know that 4/4 is such a time signature which comes naturally, right? We don't have to really count it because it's there in the nature. But when we count like a bit complex grooves like time signatures like 7s or 5s or anything except 4/4, we don't really feel it that much unless and until we are really time signature fanatics. But then generally talking, we feel 4/4 more than other time signatures. So that's the beauty of these quintuplets. Like you are playing 5s, but then instead of doing that, because there is the 4/4 time signature and it's going like 1 2 3 4, people can feel it. People can feel the complexity as well as you can groove, right? Your body moves automatically, because we all know that whenever somebody plays 4/4, we automatically do all those head bangings or whatever, like move your body, whatever. We just groove as well. So yeah, you can also add different, you can also experiment with this. This is basically just an idea. you can come up with different grooves using this idea. You can put accents, you can just play on the different subdivisions and do whatever you want to. So basically this is the concept about how you can create new grooves using the quintuplet idea. I hope you like it. See you in the another video. Until then, practice hard and just take care of yourself and the people around you, and just keep playing. Take care. Bye bye.